Welcome family, this is the Velvet Locks with another Detox video for you today. This is going to be a weight loss smoothie that's going to help your body to get rid of all those toxins, pollutants, all of that extra belly bloat, whatever things that might be going on in your belly. We're going to loosen that up right now in this video, okay? Now we're going to start off with some wonderful ingredients. We're going to start off with some of our aloe vera juice. Aloe vera helps in controlling blood sugar levels and lowers lipids in diabetics. Aloe vera juice also is known for boosting metabolism, aids digestion, and helps you to burn calories and extra fat. Okay, it's always good to put this in your morning smoothie, afternoon smoothie, evening smoothie. Wonderful benefits from aloe vera juice. We're also going to be using our coconut beverage. Coconut water is highly nutritious and rich in vitamin C, vitamin E, B1, B3, B5, B6, and minerals including iron, selenium, sodium, calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus. Unlike cow's milk, coconut milk is lactose-free, so it can be used as a substitute by those who are lactose intolerant. You can use coconut water, coconut milk, almond milk if you'd like, but today I'm going to be using my coconut beverage that I got at Trader Joe's, and it's soy free and dairy free. So for those of you who cannot have dairy, this is a wonderful substitute. I'm also going to be using my ground flax seeds. Ground flax seeds is a good source of fiber. It aids in digestion and prevents constipation. Flax seeds contain protein, magnesium, calcium, phosphorus, omega-3, and lignin. Regular consumption of flax seeds is good for your skin, and it also prevents cancer and is one of the most effective foods that will help you lose extra kilos. As well as my whole oats flakes, okay? One of the keys to weight loss is focusing on foods that will fill you up as well as provide nutrition. 1.5 cups of cooked oatmeal provides 6 grams of fiber. It's also good for diabetics since oatmeal takes a while to digest, preventing an unwelcome spikes in blood sugar. And is often recommended for weight loss because it helps keep you feeling full. Okay. We're going to be using that as well. We're also going to be using a banana. Bananas are a popular fruit that happens to provide numerous health benefits. Among other things, they may boost digestive and heart health due to their fiber and antioxidant content. They may even aid weight loss as they're relatively low calorie and nutrition dense. A whole banana and a half an avocado. Avocados is a good source of dietary fiber, which helps reduce the risk of heart disease, type 2 diabetes, and obesity. Okay, we're also going to be putting in some yogurt. Greek yogurt provides protein, calcium, iodine, and potassium while helping you feel full for few calories. But more importantly, yogurt provides healthy bacteria for digestive tract, which affects the entire body. I'm going to be using my Chobani yogurt. And we're also going to be using some prunes. Yes, prunes are made from plums, which contain many nutrients that contribute to good health. Prunes are also a good source of energy, and they don't cause rapid spikes in blood sugar levels. Yes, you guys, prunes. All right, so you already know what this drink is going to do for you. Now we're going to start off with a cup of coconut water, coconut milk, almond milk, whatever it is that you're going to use as your base. We're going to be using 1 cup of that. Okay. And just put that right in your cup. Might as well peel that banana. Throw that in there as well. Again, we're going to be using the whole banana. We want this nice and creamy. Okay, now we're going to peel our avocado. I'm just going to loosen up the seed. Now this avocado is not 100% ripe, but it's good to get one that is ripe. So you're going to scoop out the inside part, the fruit part, and put that right inside your blender as well. Now today the blender we're using, again as always, is my favorite, which is my NutriBullet. If you got a more high-powered blender, that's welcome. Now to finish it up, we're going to be using 1 teaspoon of our ground flaxseed. We're also going to be using 2 tablespoons of our oats. Okay, so 2 tablespoons. Now we're going to be using our aloe vera juice, and we're going to put a 1/4 cup of our aloe vera juice. Okay, of our aloe vera juice. Now we're going to put 2 tablespoons of our yogurt. And we're going to put 6 prunes, which are the dried plums. We're going to be using 6 of these into our smoothie. Okay. Now, this is optional for those of you who are interested. But if you want to add a little sweetener to it, you can add some honey or some stevia. Alright, you put like a teaspoon of that in there. So I'm going to be using my honey today. And just about a teaspoon of that. Just for a little sweeten. This is a quick smoothie that you can make in the mornings on your way out of the door. And it's going to be so beneficial to your body. Okay? Now let's get to blending. Gonna shake it up a little bit. All right, nice and creamy. Look at that. Alright y'all, so we're going to put this in our cup, and look at the consistency of that. Oh wow, it smells so good. Okay, let's get the straw out and try it. This is good. You're going to enjoy this smoothie. It's delicious. It's healthy, full of fiber. It's going to have you going, and it's also going to help you to lose that weight. This is also can be used as a meal replacement. So just know that if you feel full and you just need something in your stomach, this is a wonderful substitute to have in replacement of a meal. Okay, so thank you so much you guys for joining me on this video. Don't forget, like, comment, subscribe down below. I have more Tea Talks videos for you coming soon, as well as smoothie Tea Talks videos, okay? I'll think of a name for the smoothies, alright? But until the next video, I will see you in the next video. Bye. Hey fam, where you going? You didn't subscribe yet. Well, listen. First of all, before you go, don't forget, hit that subscribe button, and don't forget also to turn on that notification bell, so this way you will not miss another one of my videos. Okay? Make sure that you hit that subscribe button, click it, and then hit that little bell and make sure that it's lit. You will miss out on so much if you don't hit that subscribe button, and also hit that bell next to it. Make sure that it's turned on, so this way when I upload another video, you will not miss it at all, okay? You will be the first to know. So don't forget, give me those likes, thumbs up, and hit that subscribe button along with the bell at the bottom, and you will always know when I upload another one of these videos, okay? So, I'll see you in the next video.